Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn simple text prompts into animations using Google AI Studio for free. This is a fun way to bring your ideas to life without needing any animation skills. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, click on Generate Media. In the text box, type the animation you want to create. For example, you could write a short animation of a rocket launching into space, or an animation of a dog running across a field. After writing your prompt, click Generate. I will process your request and create a short animated clip based on the description you typed. If the first result does not look exactly like what you imagined, refine your prompt. For example, you could say, a 10-second animation of a cartoon-style rocket launching at night, or a realistic animation of a golden retriever running on grass. The more details you add, the closer the animation will be to your vision. You can keep experimenting with prompts until you get the perfect clip. When you are happy with the result, click Download to save your animation for free. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can turn any text idea into an animated video in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI guides, and I'll see you in the next one.